Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Wednesday, April 23rd. Well, we had some fundamentals that seemed to stimulate the market as we talked about in the advanced video, and the indices really behaved a little more enthusiastically as I talked about yesterday. I was looking for an inside type day. This Russell also shows it didn't just stay inside and went beyond in this market, and it went above its buy level. And Asia has opened up stronger. And what do we look for? I do look for follow through. I don't expect a retracement here in the Russell, but we also saw an interesting reaction when it comes to the currencies. Let's take a look at, let me go back here. There we go. Let's take a look at the Canadian dollar because it's slightly different than we're seeing in the other currencies. In the Canadian dollar, this sets itself up for a neutral zone trade, a sideways move, which is different than we talked about in the advanced video for the other currencies. And what we're seeing here in the bond market, well, we're seeing prices going up, which means yields are coming off. And the idea that maybe the trade situation can be sorted out is what we're seeing here in that market. Let's take a look at what's going on in copper. Well, I should also show you, let's take a look at gold because that did come off. Let me show you what happened here. The dollar difference between the buy and sell level in that market is $30,100 a contract. This does imply a pullback, and it also implies a market that wants to go higher. So even be careful here if you are on the short side for that market. Crude oil also firming up a bit. This does imply follow through. So I'm looking for an up day in crude oil, but corn out of the eggs, that's the weakest one. And follow through, yes. Big range down, no. That's what we're looking for in that market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.